which is super cool, guys. It actually works. So keep watching the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it. Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you to get a modded version of the game, Doomsday Godzilla X Kong. So this works on devices in 2025. So as you can see, I'm broke, but in the mod menu I can turn on unlimited diamonds. So I just turned that on. So let's see if it works. So as you can see, these are the current values. So let's see if it goes up, and hopefully we do see an increase on our Doomsday Godzilla X Kong game, and no increase is happening. But yo, it's working. Look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. It works for iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So the first step is going to be just go to your browser and type this website right here, tweakmod.com. So it's a really awesome site. So on this site, guys, we're going to type in Doomsday and then press install. So before this downloads, there is going to be a verification. So this is the last step. Basically, you just need to download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% free, guys, from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to go ahead and load here, as you can see. So yeah, it's not really for me, but now that I have the modded version, I'm playing like every day, guys, you know, getting down in the Doomsday Godzilla X Kong. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So yeah, I'm just going to give it a second to load up. And it's basically just going to make us do that verification where you download 2 apps. So like Family Island, it says reach level 9. And then we have Travel Town, which says reach level 9. TikTok, Underdog Fantasy, you got to search something up. So just do 2 of them, guys. Then you should have the modded version. So I'm going to see you in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. And peace out, my gamers.